Welcome to Row Trading Pit. We've got another signal to go short on the 15-minute chart on the Dow. However, we have a bit of a support in this area that we need to be aware of. Well, let's see how it goes. The market has reached in that support area we were talking about and struggling to break through. We are just over £1,000 up in 6 hours time. Might be a good idea to bank some profits. So we are selling half of our position to bank some money. Have gone into our trading session, reaching very close to the 1-to-1 profit target, but the market is struggling to break through the support. The clever thing to do here is to close the trade and take the money even though our trading system still showing us to stay short. We are closing our position for another £900. This is us going against our system purely to get the money in the bank. Could we make more if we stayed in the trade? We will see.